Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, keep in mind that never learn any words, phrases, or grammar patterns without the context. It's all about consistency and its context. Okay, with that being said, so let's start today's grammar pattern. So today we're going to focus on the JLPT N2 grammar point uru. So we usually use it with its masu form and it has uru and eru, two types of readings. Okay, so it expresses possibility or potential that something can occur or can happen or be done. So we usually don't use it with personal abilities, and dictionary form can be uru and eru, and masu nai ta forms can be read as emasu, enai, or eta. So let's take a look at our first example. Key vocabulary. The first example's key vocabularies are 仕事, work and job, 仕事, 成功させるis to make succeed. So that's the causative form. させる makes it causative. 成功させる. Next word is 考えうる or 考え得る, as we talked about before. 考える is to think. 得る means make it can be done. So it can be it's thinkable or conceivable. 考えうる or 考え得る. So next one is 方法. It's method. 方法 method. So 仕事成功させる考えうる方法. Okay, let's take a look at the actual sentence. これは仕事を成功させるために考えうる最上の方法です. So one more time with ひらがな. これは仕事を成功させるために考えうる最上の方法です. So it means that this is the best method one can conceive of to ensure success at work. これは this is 仕事を成功させるために in order to, this ために means in order to 仕事を成功させる is to make the work successful. 考えうる so conceivable. What's conceivable? 最上の方法 the best method that can be one can think of. Okay, so this is the best method one can think of to make the work successful. One more time. これは仕事を成功させるために考えうる最上の方法です. So that is our first example. Our next example's vocabularies are 事故 accident, 事故 accident. 起こり得る or 起こりうる. So 起こる is occur. When we added うる, it makes it can occur. 注意 is attention, caution. 注意. Next word is 必要. 必要 is necessary. 必要. Now let's take a look at the example itself. この事故はいつでも起こりうることとして十分注意が必要だ. Now let's look at the ひらがな. この事故はいつでも起こりうることとして十分注意が必要だ. So it means that this kind of accident can always happen, is always possible, so full attention is necessary. So この事故は so this kind of accident いつでも is always 起こり得る can occur こととして so therefore 十分注意is like full attention 十分注意が必要だ is necessary 必要だ One more time この事故はいつでも起こり得ることとして十分注意が必要だ So that is our second example. Now let's take a look at our third example's words. ありえない So this is ある so there is えない can be. えない is the negative form, so it cannot be. So it's impossible, it cannot be. 事件 is incident, 事件. Next one is 現場 is scene, site, 現場. So 事件の現場 is the site of the accident or incident or the case. ありえない is impossible. Let's take a look at the actual sentence. 彼が事件の現場にいたなんて、そんなことはありえない。So now with ひらがな。彼が事件の現場にいたなんて、そんなことはありえない。So it means that there's no way that he was at the scene of the incident. So 彼が so he 事件の現場 so is the scene of the accident にいたなんてそんなことはありえない so cannot be so ありえない is not possible so he being at the crime scene is not possible so let's read it one more time 彼が事件の現場にいたなんてそんなことは so this thing ありえない cannot be possible ありえない so that's the end of today's BitSize Japanese and see you in the next one.
That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.